In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 5 RP with a PlayStation 5 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a PlayStation 5 controller to work with GTA 5 roleplay. You will also be able to use it in standard GTA 5, so keep that in mind. So the best way to do this is going to be through a mixture with Steam and DS4 Windows. So I recommend that you try out the Steam method first and see if it works. If it does work, then you don't have to download DS4 Windows, but if alone the Steam method fails, then you will have to download this tool. So if you would like to preemptively download it, go to ds4-windows.com, click on download, and in here you will be able to download this tool. As the name suggests, you will be able to use DualShock 4 and DualSense controllers alongside Windows by keeping this tool open. Now, to set up the PlayStation 5 controller within Steam, open your library, click the option to add a game, and then add a non-Steam game. You will be able to browse through all of the files on your computer, and you can add 5M, so add the executable from GTA 5 RP. Now right-click this, go over to Properties, Controller, and now you will be able to enable Steam Input. Steam Input is a feature that allows you to use any compatible controller with 5M or any other game on Steam. So by enabling this, you will be good to go. You can open the controller configurator and change settings from here. So you will be able to set up the layout on your specific controller. You will notice that I am using an Xbox for this demonstration, but a PlayStation 5 controller is going to work just fine. And once you have the layout active with Steam input enabled, you just have to go ahead and open the game. Now, if this does not work, then like I mentioned, you can also download the additional tool DS4 Windows. Open this up, and immediately upon opening the tool, you will get instructions on how to set it up. You just have to connect the controller, it is going to appear on this list, and then you just have to assign the default profile that should automatically be set up. Or you can manually change every single button through one of the profiles. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 RP with PlayStation 5 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.